Chanda Chok last part of the article, which is chapter 10. That is the last one for the whole chapter, in which I think we done a good job for these 2 weeks. It take a long time to be done, finish. Let's go to chapter 10 directly without beating the bush. It said the general conclusion on the space-time seasons and the 12 months in Cieng Naath, and integrated reflection on the Nuër ecological knowledge, social life, and cultural memory. Now, the introduction, which is number one. This study of space, time, season, and the 12 months. And the 12 months in Cieng Naath have shown that the Nuer calendar is far more than Divik for counting the year. It is a complete indigenous system of knowledge. It joins land, season, labor, cattle, cultivation, fishing, marriage, courtship, memory, and education into one coherent understanding of life. Number two, the main finding. The study has shown that space and time form one living order in the new thought. That the seasons are the framework of the livelihood and adaptation. That the 12 months preserve environmental wisdom in a language. That the calendar is also the social calendar, organization, marriage, harvest, courtship, and gathering. That it is the form of indigenous knowledge deserving serious recognition, and that it is preserved through language, memory, and education. They need a lot of education anyway. Three, final reflection. The new understanding of space time in Cieng Naath is one of the clearest examples of Africa indigenous thought, a root in a land and a life. Through the season and the 12 months, the people have preserved the reading of the environment, their rhyme of lives, their pattern of movement, and the memory of the homeland. So they gave it as an example to all African. The one of the new name of the month is one of the good example for African. When we reach our conclusion, which is number four, uh, conclusion statement. In conclusion, space, time, season, and the 12 months in Cieng Naath form an integrated philosophy of life. There are several people who have long understood That time must be read through land. That lava must follow season. The society must respect ecology, and that memory must be preserved in language. The Nuer calendar is therefore not merely a calendar, it is a map of life, a school of memory, a record of ecological intelligence, and a heritage of the people. This is very beautiful. This is the end of our chapter 10, Ciëng Naath talk. This is very beautiful uh, for all this. It is the life, Nuer Manda, the life of the Nuer. The Nuer depend on those men. Why it is said the life? Because when we when we grow, I mean when we prepare our garden, when we took our cow into the grassland, take them also to the water on the river, then we cultivate all our sorghum. Those are the life. We began to fish our fish. Those are the life because it come with the help of having food on our hand in our table. That is why it said it is a life. Uh, I think I will stop there. Again, Quinana no more. Kajan chapter me here kail krabe chapter roken big ben ke dong chaga bulu kwen dong ba kwen na kel rudi to big lo pol ko bog let ba pomo ko ba la ko bog let uh, for our following generation we will follow us. Our time is not useful any longer, but we set the fort for them to follow, for them to be to read the new culture, which is the real culture. They will not be in illusion next time. Those documents will help them. Do you know, even today, those who read college, I think they they met with the question of new culture. They were asked to come up with their culture, write it in the paper. This paper is to be graded, and it is going to be in your credit in school. I think we all met with it. I think so. Liberai dan bane ngo ko kan pat kon toro kana la den chane to ko pat kon bane ko kwen bane ko kwen bane ka laro ko kor go da tin dong te war ga mu barar mu wolu ni ku ni kon ka bo wo ko nuer community dan ka bo wo go na ko ken che ga yos opus la ngani maktam ngani ga maktam man mu ta kon ka maktam ti kento dan ka maktab dini to de al to bi ko wotin kan pe por to ba ite je kan kamen be ya grade ba ite je kan ko maktab lat jor go je kon ngi to na bana ja kan bum ko gwa mi to ji ka group ke le ngaro ke ta ka kel gur ko na bana ka ngi ne pot ba ngi gat culture an bana ngi na kun ke nore ba ngi ke and then midela mit ke na ba ngi ke jale la jel ko kon bana ngi ke koro lante la transportation. Let them know that they will call a call jeli chi kon me da nika ne pewa wona pewa ma mi ki chop ko biro ri di bu yok tele transportation me gur ko ko jom po me ko kam ko no bala rom la kon wan me me truk mu ci ben truk ya loy ni kon jok ya loy ni kon jok ci pe de kon lat nyoak no ngwa ke ban nyin ken nyoak ka kon ka ba nyin kon nyoak ke en kum ci kon dial bu te ko kum ro ne ti ko ko la bu te ko kum ne ko la bu ga por bel ne la ko la bu ga mai re bu ka le ni bi de re ko en department ni cha ka ra la ka ne ya la wala ya ga pai to ko malat ke dit ke ye ngi mi nan bi lat bi do practice ya ai de ngi gi je ki be rar ke ji ke la lo ti di en mo je lat mi ko do kam te ra ma ka la de cha ka mat ke bi na wo nyu re ki na bere re ko te le yo te disaster i mo ko ji ni bu kwal ko bi lem ko ji dum te le do ko se go bi do je tin ko te ga mi ki nen mi de lo de no mo de ye lat cha con bu ko bere long ko we cha re de doi ma chieng re doi ma rol cha re doi ma je ko cha re de doi ma cha doi ma yo te go nyu na tin ku ju mo an ba jen gwa ba ne chong tin ka pa no ra bi ga te kar ker ke chiang dan in no point du bi chieng no ra ton ko lat ke bi ga te kar ker ka ta du ko bi ga ngi na mi te bi ngi ne na ba lo ngi ne ko ne ko ken jan ta la ngi ga na dol gor che ba ko bi to re du mi chi gor bi nywa kel ka ne ko ken du no ngi mo don ko ke ja nga ga mi e chen te yen club ken gor je bi knowledge to be a pass to generation or to the generation and that knowledge it will give you a clue by ja ka ji real o nga ke ne kam ne me ne ne je no mo te di right dan che good ban te ka mal ka ba lo ne mo do ken ko do be shak ka we mal na ken de al mal an bol re bol would te ko lu ko bom ngas ka pala ka would mi dog by week no ne chane gak am te ka question telephone da te rar yo walk to le magang ye be yo to ko mi te ko mo go ri bi especially they put the titi they were military cha de by ping no ni dia ka any subject and I mean any chapter cho no de mara ka me cha gorten lu no jin mi go re bu kwen mu la no ko kwen chi go leng le ka mo ro do ka le be kwen bi mi dana cha la sen bi je me chong ke dong te do mo but here what it very thin can the alka chung no be mo ka knowledge go bo ko te ko gwa mo ku le ngai chen ko ten right thin ka pai if I mean the reality or just I with my time you're gonna become you're gonna be agree with the nude again more no the alka thin to no chapter 1 I mean chapter 3 but no chapter 10 jan gwam right down pe thin wala na ma bana legit irun ko mal non